back in between the portal. This lobby is literally just a rectangle with spawn points on each corner, boxes and trees floating, and a skybox and an animated skybox. I used to think this was the coolest lobby in the world. What happened? I remember it being so much cooler than this. Power station. Oh. I thought I wasn't even loading in. New lighting mechanics makes this level impossible, so I might as well just downgrade. Everyone knows this lobby. Everyone knows this lobby. If someone doesn't, then how? How do you not know this? This is literally what defined. If you look up Flood Escape Mission, this is the first thing you see, probably. Don't quote me on that. Simple map. I don't know why I did that. Another unfair loss. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This just unlocked memories that I forgot that I even had. Oh my goodness. What? Is there even anything in the shop? No, there was nothing in the shop back then. Oh my, and it stayed up there for some reason. And the settings icon doesn't even work. Oh my goodness. This is so nostalgic. What the heck? No diamonds? Does it work? It works. Overflow. I completely forgot about this version. I'm so glad I did this challenge. Can I play the game, please? Okay. That was weird. Oh my goodness, the weird air bar. Bro. The way it doesn't actually drain when you're in water and just... That sound! This is ridiculous! I honestly thought that this was a completely different Flood Escape game that I used to play and just forgot the name of, but no, it's Mission! At last! I finally know what this game is. Can I get up here? Nope. Nope. I don't know where to go then. 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 Go up, go up! Ah! I legitimately have tears in my eyes from that. I just rediscovered this version. Looks pretty similar to the 2020 lobby. You know, the one that the Ruins is trying to be. They should have put the 2020 version in this. Not just the ruined version of the 2020 version. That would be nice. How the flip do I get out of here? I think I just gotta die. You respawn instantly in this. Okay, darkened cave. Ow. What? Why'd I die immediately? What? What? Where the heck am I? Why is there just a rising block? Wait, those particles. I'm on top of the lobby. Why does it keep doing that? I don't think this level works. I don't think this level likes me. Okay, button. That button has been pressed. Where do I go? This way? I don't know if I go this way. What does this say? Warning, water is not mobile compatible. Yeah, I can tell. I just phased out of existence. Next map is the exact same one. I forgot to press that button. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna disqualify pre-alpha from this challenge since you can't actually play the game on a phone. I'll re-qualify it when I get on a computer, but as of right now, alpha is the lowest we can go. The most nostalgic version. I completely forgot this was Flood Escape Mission. I thought this one was lost to time. I was like, man, I wonder what that one Flood Escape game was. With like the yellow elevator and the weird glitchy shop that stays on screen for no reason. It was Flood Escape Mission, and I got overflow again. So many memories from this. It's unreal. There's a ladder here. Oh! Quick climbing was fast in this one. You made it to the end, and I didn't even make it on time. Okay. You can literally kind of see the lobby in the distance. That's pretty funny, actually. Do I have to actually be in here to go to the next map? Because if so, that's a problem, because I can't actually be in there for some reason. What am I doing? I just need to go back to the next version. Time to go back to the floating islands. Floating island era. Floating island era. I'm gonna name all these. This is Floating Island. Flood Escape Mission Floating Island. Wait, did I already buy this? Yeah, I already did. I already own the map making kit. I remember for the longest time, the map testing still had that lobby, even though it was revamped. Even though everything was revamped in the main game, it still had that same lobby. Oh, this level! I forgot this level existed. I also forgot how awkward the controls were in this version. Comment down below which one's the most nostalgic for you. The hidden wall isn't even hidden in this version. What? That's actually crazy. Usually, in the modern flood escape mission, that's like a hidden area. It's not just there.